Welcome back, and today we'll be unboxing the Amazfit Pop 3R, which is a Zep band. So let's peel off this part. Then open the box. So there's nothing else inside there. And then the first thing is obviously the watch. And here it is. This is how it looks like from the first impression. It's a nice solid black. Obviously it comes in different colors. You can have a metallic black, a silver, or a metallic silver. It all depends on what color choice you'd like. Then let's see if there's anything else inside here. Oh, seems like we need to open here. Then your product manual. What else? Then there's the cable for charging. So it's this small black cable. Looks something like this. Yeah, so that's everything that's in the box. Product manual, the watch itself, and the cable. So stick around for more videos on the Amazfit Pop 3R.